Kedarkantha Trek. Best winter trek in winters for beginners. Day 1. Drive from Dehradun to Sankari along the beautiful pine forest and stay at guest house in Sankari village. Day 2. We will start our trek from Sankari towards Judaka Talab and reach after 4 to 5 hours hike and stay overnight at lakeside location. On day 3. We hike from Judaka Talab to Kedarkantha base camp, through vast fields of snow-covered mountains and lush green patches, and stay overnight at base camp. Day 4. The hike starts from base camp in the morning to reach the summit, and views of the Yamunotri, Gangotri and Kinnar Kailash range. Later, start descending to the base camp for stay. On day 5. Start sloping down from base camp to Sankari for another 4-5 hours. An overnight stay at guest house in Sankari. Day 6. In the morning, from Sankari, board the vehicle and start driving back towards Dehradun. And return to your home with loads of memories. Thank you. Contact us for more information.